I am moving off of the island in the near future, so this is really my last shebang. This is my chance to go to all my favorite places and show Leah the whole island. Okay, this is scary. Okay, I don't think this is gonna work. I love that chair. Where should we sit? I don't know. I love this place so much. Okay, so today is a very exciting day. Today is day one of my first ever real Hawaiian vacation. Oh yeah, oh this is great. Man, I wish I could film all my videos here. Okay guys, hello huckleberries. Welcome to a very exciting adventure vlog. Today is going to be such an epic day. My friend Leah is flying in from Minnesota. We have been friends for 6 years, 7 years. It's been a while. She's headed here right now. I am in the most beautiful Airbnb. This is like very much my dream home. If I was to have a big home, because it is kind of big for me. I'm more into like, but aesthetically, oh my God, you guys. So we are at the Earthy modern beach house. This is in Kailua-kona, right in like the hub of beaches, bars, restaurants, kind of tourist central. Really, really good location though. I'm obsessed. I have to show you guys everything, really, truly. So here's the plan though. I want to give you guys a little tour. It's gonna be a totally casual tour. And then I am surprising Leah with a manta ray tour. Oh my God, I'm sweating. A bead of sweat just dripped down my forehead. It's very hot in town right now, it's very humid. I've never done a manta ray tour. Leah has never done a manta ray tour, but this is the quintessential, like if I tell anyone, and I haven't even done it, but if you're gonna choose any one tour to spend your money on, I think it would be a manta ray tour. I've teamed up with Kona Style. I hope you guys have seen my last video with them. I did their morning snorkel and sail tour and it was so amazing. I'm excited. Leah's here for 9 whole days. I'm not gonna vlog every single day, but this is going to be, you could call it a little mini series of me and Leah's adventures driving the entire island. I've really just designed the perfect Hawaiian vacation, at least in my opinion. These are the places that are near and dear to my heart. I am moving off of the island in the near future, so this is really my last shebang. This is my chance to go to all my favorite places. Okay, enough talking. Let me give you guys a tour. Okay guys, change of plans. Look who I have! It's Leah! For longtime viewers, you will know Leah from Yellowstone, Glacier National Park, bopping around Minneapolis. Yeah. You've been in a lot of videos.
A few videos.
Okay, so now that Leah's here, I'm actually gonna make her be my camera woman right now, and we are gonna do just a very casual, quick house tour. Oh, hello there. Come on in. Here we are at the Earthy modern beach house. Follow them on Instagram. Living room. This is like a selling point for me, but now that I'm here, I'm like very afraid of this chair. We also have a projector, and the screen comes down here. I don't know if we're actually gonna watch movies, but we can if we want to. That's pretty awesome. Over this way, we have our beautiful dining area. Record player. I just have to gush for a minute. She has Literally my ideal record collection. Unplugged, Nirvana. So good. It's like one of my favorite albums of all time. Come on over to the kitchen. It's over here. We have a beautiful galley kitchen complete with Leah's Halloween costume. I cannot wait to see you in this, honestly. Can I put it on later? Sure. The other cute thing is up here, she actually sells local hot sauce and makes it super easy for people to take home a really cute, local, personable kind of souvenir. Let me show you upstairs. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, so this is the master suite. Okay, and then we have our ensuite bathroom with tub and shower. Pretty straightforward. Okay, second bedroom. Super adorable. Velvet curtains are so cool. Just everything here is so cool. Last but not least, we have Leah's bedroom. I'm obsessed with this place.
I like the breeze too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you do have a good cross breeze. Yeah. And then third bathroom, last bathroom, Leah's bathroom. Also with tub and shower. Pretty cool. So, I know this was like a super quick tour. Is it raining?
I think it's a laundry machine maybe.
Oh yeah. Oh, and there's laundry. See? Look at that. It's got everything. We kind of are in a little bit of a rush. We are gonna just kind of get settled, get ready, probably grab a bite to eat, and then I will see you guys at our manta tour. Yay! Is my hair like too big?
Action.
Is the sun too intense?
Kind of.
Perfect. Okay. Oh, we're recording. Sweet. We are headed to the Kona Style Manta Ray Tour. They launch right out of downtown Kailua-Kona, so it's very convenient to where we're staying right now. And it's going to be a 3-hour tour. It's 2 hours of sailing, including the sunset, which I'm so excited for. Crossing our fingers for a good one today. And then 1 hour of snorkeling with manta rays. So I'm going to take you guys along with us. See you there.
fit right in there. When the animal comes in, he's gonna look up, he's gonna see the lights. The lights attract plankton. The plankton attracts the animal.
Thank you.
Sir. Down the water, we know what's up.
There's an open handle towards me. Move down to the open handle, yeah?
That was awesome! Today, my friends, is Halloween.